come and they'll arrest you, okay, for being drunk in a public place. Alright? You want to sit up and talk to us? Okay, sit up, come on. Yeah. You want to try and stand up for us? Yeah. You don't read. You don't read. Yeah.
Sit down over here on the bench. Have you taken anything to make? What has you behaving like this? Calm down there. Can you tell us what's wrong with you? Why are you behaving like this?
Drunk.
You're drunk, okay. Well, drunk is no reason to behave like that. Okay?
Bring an ambulance to the ambulance mob in the cabin because you're lying on the ground, okay? You're going to go home with your friend. Alright, or do you want to go to the hospital?
So calm down, go get a cup of coffee, sober yourself up a bit.
She's refused to go to the hospital. She refused any help from us. We advised her friend that's with her that she'd have to get her off the street because the guards will arrest her for being breaching the peace or drunk and disorderly. That's the kind of thing they get every Saturday night, every weekend night. It's just completely intoxicated. You can see her there. She's back on the ground now, and my friend is trying to get her up. And she's completely refused our help. So at this point in time, there's nothing further we can do for her.